नमस्कार दोस्तों, आज हम बात करेंगे इंग्लिश अल्फ़ाबेट्स, फोनेटिक साउंड्स, सिंबल्स। ये जो चार्ट है, इस चार्ट में आप देख सकते हैं इंग्लिश के जितने भी अल्फ़ाबेट हैं, सबके यहाँ पे सभी अल्फ़ाबेट्स के यहाँ पे फोनेटिक साउंड्स यहाँ पे हैं। उनका सिंबल्स यहाँ पे रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं, इनको किस तरीके से प्रोनाउंस किया जाता है और ये किस तरीके से आपकी हेल्प करेंगे आपके इंग्लिश सुधारने में। इंग्लिश बोलने वाली जो स्पीकिंग इंग्लिश है, किसमें इसमें सुधार आ सकता है। यू कैन चेंज योर स्पीकिंग इंग्लिश while learning those symbols. Learning means like you have to pronounce each and every English alphabets phonetic sounds in their particular way. And there is a IPA, International Phonetic Alphabets. It is like a organization, or it is like a very big websites which creates like English alphabet symbols, signs, and their particular pronunciation of each and every English alphabets. So IPA provides some symbols, some sounds of English alphabet, so that if any learner who just learning English speaking, so he or she will speak fluently after sometimes after learning those symbols, sounds. First symbols is capital I. It pronounced like I, like bit. Now second is E, like C. O, like oo, like put. Now oo, like you. Third one is a, like eight. Now oi, like boy. Now ear, like here. Now I, like my. Now a, like pet. Now like her. Now like water. O, like four. Now ear, like here. O, like so. Ow, like house. Ooh, like tour. A, like like pat. Like up. Now like pot. Now like far. Now like park. Now like farm. Think, think, think. Okay. Now like tank. Now sip. Now like ship. Sip, ship. Now like chip. Now like kick. Now like boat. V, Volvo. Z, them. J, dog. Z, zip. Z, z, vision. Z. Now J, like jump. G, gone. Now like man. Like name. Now ng, like ring. Now like hope. Now like whip. Now like lip. Now like run. Now it's J. Its sound is not a J. Its sound is y, like you, yellow. Okay, don't pronounce it like a J, because J symbol is like a D and Z, like jump. Okay, so J sounds symbol is yellow, young, you. Are you getting my point? So that's it. If you will learn those English phonetic sounds, so very soon you will get exact pronunciation. And if you will stuck on pronunciation, how any particular words is pronouncing in a particular manner, so very soon you will get the way how to pronounce each and every single words in English. And if you will work on your English alphabet sounds, so your words will pronounce in very good manner. If you will pronounce each and every English words in a particular manner, in a very good manner, so definitely, if you will pronounce any particular sentence, so it will come automatically in a very well format from your mouth. You don't need to speak like that. It automatically will come from your mouth like this. Just believe me. So that's it. And just rewind this video again and again, and learn those English alphabet sounds, because language is just like a sounds. If you want to speak English, so just understand those sounds, listen more and more, and understand those alphabets symbols as well. Because in next video I'm gonna give you the some test where you can check yourself how much you learned. If you learned so much, so you will get the answers and you will crack the test. So that's it. If you like this video, you can subscribe it, you can like it, you can share it, and we will meet you in the next video. Thank you so much.